I'll go first.
You go first, yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
How are you?
I'm good, thank you.
We can do different takes.
Okay.
Yeah.
Relax.
Hassle-free.
Well, I think a well-organised, you feel me?
But are you going to ask me more questions? Because I can only answer one question.
Okay.
Can I think before you film?
Of course.
The Getaway Co. is a great vegan adventure.
And why is that?
You said that was good. What's going on? I have to say.
Come on.
Yeah.
Can you like hump up with that? Because I don't know.
So, Getaway Co. for me is... Listen to the man. The Getaway Co. for me
He calls
is...
me Edward, though.
Would you travel with Getaway Co again?
No. It matters. It's the end of the video.
Why don't we tell you what we think in that?
But you have to answer the
Well,
same.
but it fills into we do it the other way around.
But that's not what he wants.
You have a bit of variety. Come on now.
Can we do it again?
Yeah.
I knew this was going to happen.
Answer to the...
I need to say that?
Oh, can we do another week?
Here we go, we're done.
Can we just do it all again?
Photographers were okay.
Photographers followed me around like I was a superstar. Very cute couple. We like them very
They were
much.
almost fun on this trip.
The photographers are just outstanding.
Nicoletta, Richard, Stefano, Maria were spectacular.
Thank you.